Let me ask you a hard question. How do you know you're doing well financially? Is it because you earn a good salary? Because you drive a nice car? Because you live in a gated community? Or you have paid for your kids' international school? These things look like success, but are they proof of it? What if I told you that many people who look financially successful are, in reality, just a few months away from a crisis? That behind that facade of comfort lies a dangerous delusion, the belief that you're doing well when you're actually not. In this video, we'll unpack the financial delusion, why so many hardworking professionals think they are financially secure, but they aren't. You will learn why outward signs of success can be misleading, the two documents that tell you the real truth about your finances, that is your net worth statement and your cash flow statement, and how to use them to find out exactly where you stand, how you got there, and where you're headed. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple but powerful framework to finally see your financial reality clearly, maybe for the first time in your life. For over 20 years, I've coached thousands of Kenyan professionals working in leading organizations such as Safaricom, PwC, the UN, Citibank, and many more. Many came to me thinking they were doing fine until we did the math. Once we analyzed their net worth and their cash flow, the truth came out. Some were heading towards wealth, while others were just one paycheck away from disaster. And that's what I want to help you avoid. If you want to stop living on assumptions and start building real financial confidence, join my mailing list and get my free training video. Stop living paycheck to paycheck with these money secrets. It's a short, powerful video that will help you take your first step towards financial clarity and freedom. The link is in the description below. And if you find value here, please like, subscribe, and share this with somebody who needs to hear it. Let's jump into it. Most people live their financial lives based on feeling and not facts. They feel they are doing well because the bills are paid, the kids are in good schools, and their salary still lands every month. But here is the truth. Feeling financially secure and being financially secure are not the same thing. There is something I call the lifestyle illusion. It's when your lifestyle improves with your income, so you feel successful, even though your financial foundation remains weak. Let's take a common example. Meet James. He earns about 600,000 shillings a month as a mid-level manager at a multinational company. He lives in a gated community, drives an expensive car, and his children attend top schools. From the outside, James looks like he has made it. But when we sat down to analyze his finances, here is what we found. Car loan balance, 4 million shillings. Mortgage, 10 million shillings. Credit card debt, 250,000 shillings. Savings, 100,000 shillings. Investments, 300,000 shillings. When we calculated his net worth, it came to negative 9.85 million. He wasn't financially free. He was financially fragile. Yet in his mind, he was doing fine. This is the delusion that traps many professionals. They confuse income with wealth. Here is the problem with assumptions. They feel comfortable, but they cost you time and opportunity. If you are not measuring your financial progress, you can go for years, even decades, working hard but going nowhere. It's like running on a treadmill. You are sweating, exhausted, and moving, but you're still at the same spot. That's why you must replace assumptions with analysis. And that starts with two key tools: your net worth statement and your cash flow statement. Let's start with the net worth statement, which is your financial report card. Think of it as a snapshot of your financial health, your personal balance sheet. It answers one simple but powerful question: if I sold everything I own and paid off everything I owe, what would I be left with? That number, which is your net worth, is the truest measure of your financial position. Here's a formula. Net worth is equal to total assets minus total liabilities. Assets include cash and savings, investments such as SACCOs, unit trusts, shares, real estate, and also property that you own, retirement accounts, vehicles, and other personal use assets. Liabilities include mortgages, loans, credit card balances, and any outstanding bills. Once you have listed them, you subtract liabilities from assets. If the result is positive, you are on the right track. If it's negative, you have work to do. Now, here is what most professionals discover when they do this exercise. They are not as wealthy as they thought, because they have built their financial lives on income, not assets. They own liabilities disguised as success: cars, loans, expensive lifestyles that don't produce income. While your net worth statement is a snapshot, your cash flow statement is the movie of your life. It shows how your money moves, where it comes from, where it goes. It answers two critical questions: how did I get to where I am today? Where am I heading financially? To create one, you simply track inflows, that is your salary, your side hustle incomes, dividends, rental incomes, and outflows, everything you spend, fixed and variable. At the end of the month, the difference shows whether you're building wealth or eroding it. If your cash flow is positive, you're earning more than you spend and you can grow wealth. If it's negative, you're living on borrowed time. Let me show you how these two tools work together. Imagine your financial life as a journey. The net worth statement is the map showing your current location. The cash flow statement is the vehicle showing how fast you're moving and in which direction. Without them, you're driving blind. Many people tell me, Manyara, I don't need to write these things down. I know my financial situation. I know it offhand. But that's like saying, I know my blood pressure, I don't need to measure it. Until you see the actual numbers, you are guessing. There is danger in a false sense of comfort that comes with steady income. I call this the comfort trap. You tell yourself, I have a good job, I'm paying my bills, things are okay. But here is the truth. Comfort without growth is stagnation. If you don't have assets that generate income, investments that grow while you sleep, your financial progress is an illusion. I've seen clients who have spent 20 years in high-paying jobs, retiring with nothing but a car, some furniture, and a lot of regrets. They worked hard but built nothing lasting. Don't let that be your story. If you want a wake-up call, do a personal audit. So let's do it real quick. Grab a pen and paper and answer these questions honestly. What is your current net worth? How much of your monthly income is saved or invested? If you lost your income today, how long would you survive without borrowing? Do your assets produce income or do they consume it? If you struggled to answer this, you are overdue for a financial audit. Here is the mental shift that you must make. Stop asking, how much do I earn? And start asking, how much am I worth? Because wealth is not about what you earn. It's about what you keep and grow. A high income with poor management is like pouring water into a bucket full of holes. It doesn't matter how much or how fast you pour, the bucket will never fill. But when you fix the leaks, track your cash flow, and build assets, even a modest income can grow into lasting wealth. Let's get practical. Here is a simple 5-step plan to strengthen your net worth and cash flow. Step number 1, measure it. Download net worth template or make a simple one in Excel. List everything you own and owe. Update it every quarter. What gets measured gets managed. Step number 2, protect it. Ensure your income and assets. One illness, accident, or job loss can erase years of progress. Number 3, grow it. Invest in appreciating or income generating assets. Real estate, unit trusts, bonds, or business ventures that you understand. Avoid or minimize liabilities that drain cash, such as lifestyle debt or assets that depreciate and cost you to own, like cars. Step number 4, track cash flow. Use a money tracking app, a notebook, or a spreadsheet. Know exactly where every shilling goes. And number 5, align with your goals. Every shilling should serve a purpose, whether that's building passive income, funding education, or buying assets. When your cash flow and net worth work together, your financial life gains clarity, direction, and momentum. Here is what I've learned coaching professionals for decades. Most people don't avoid financial analysis because it's hard. They avoid it because they're afraid of what they will find. But pretending you're doing fine doesn't change reality. It just delays the pain. Facing the truth early gives you time to correct it. It's like going to a doctor. Yes, it's uncomfortable, but it's necessary in order to heal. Your finances are the same. Many Kenyan professionals believe that they are middle class because they earn a good salary and live in a decent estate. But when you dig a little deeper, you'll find that many have no emergency funds, no investment, and a net worth that's either zero or approaching zero or negative. That's not middle class. That's middle pressure. Because one retrenchment, one medical crisis, or one economic shock and everything collapses. We saw that during COVID. Many high earners realized that without an income, their lifestyle couldn't last even 3 months. Don't wait for a crisis to wake you up. Do your audit now. I would love to hear from you. Have you ever calculated your net worth or tracked your cash flow before? If you have, what surprised you most? If you haven't, what's been stopping you? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else to take action. Let's recap. Many professionals think they're doing well, but it's a delusion. True financial health comes from data, not appearances. The net worth statement shows you where you are. The cash flow statement shows you how you got there and where you're heading. Clarity is a first step towards financial freedom, because what you can see, you can change. So stop assuming, start analyzing, and take control of your money before it takes control of you. If you would like to learn the next step in building a system that transforms income into lasting wealth, watch my free training video, Stop Living Paycheck to Paycheck with These Money Secrets. It will show you the practical strategies my clients use to break free from financial stress and finally build wealth that lasts. Click the link in the description below and watch it now. If this video helped you see your finances differently, please like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more content that helps Kenyan professionals take charge of their money and their future. Remember, numbers never lie. The truth about your money might be uncomfortable, but it's the only path to financial peace. I'm Manyara Kirago, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll go deeper into how to grow your net worth strategically. See you then.